Hey everyone, I'm gonna fire up this Weber charcoal grill and I'm gonna grill some burgers for the very first time. I made a little research and here is what I'll need. Some charcoal and then chimney starter, lighter, some thermometers. We really need them to make some precise measurements and make sure that meat is not overcooked. We will need some fire starters, and of course these gloves will help my hands to be safe. And last but not least, we need small chunk of wood to make it smell like a real barbecue. Here we go. And of course we need a grill. Voila! Okay, we are almost ready to start the grilling. But wait, we need some meat. So let's kick it off and get some meat. Pumpkin season already. Tomatoes. Red onions. And some organic salad. Monterey Jack cheese. Pickles. For burgers, fat means flavor. I picked the most fatty ground beef I could find. 25% fat. This should make them juicy. We got some meat. And we got some seasoning. Some say they keep seasoning simple, just salt, pepper and garlic. But I went even simpler, ready to go Weber seasoning mix is all what I need. But I still have some strong feeling that I'm missing something. What could it be? Oh, yeah! It is definitely something that I have to wear. That it will bring some more cooking vibe to my Odyssey. Nice. Pick one. Oh, nice. Also nice. Nice. This one is also good. Good for me. I'm dropping one fire starter into the grill and setting the chimney right on the top. And in just a moment I will be filling it with charcoal. looks like I needed a little longer gloves. Probably that longer. Once the chimney is glowing hot and the top coals are covered in that ashy gray, it's ready. That's when I will pour the coals over the one side of the grill. This makes two zones, hot direct heat zone and the cooler indirect zone. I'm pretty lazy and not fan of dealing with oil and grease, so I got this drip pan that covers the bottom completely. Let's make sure that we have bottom vents open. Air vents should be open. That's important because fire needs oxygen to stay alive. I also placed the lid so the top vent is about the indirect zone. This way air flows across the grill, pulling smoke and heat evenly over the burgers. First, I put the thermometer inside. This helps me keep track of the right temperature. We actually have two probes on this thermometer, one to measure the grill temp and the other one will go straight into the meat. Let's add some wood chunk. This is a post oak and it could add some mild flavor, and this is exactly what my wife and I like. Let's place it over here and close the lid back. Next, I'm applying a little oil on the grate so nothing sticks. As a next step, I sear the burgers over direct heat. The fire is pretty strong though. Honestly, I didn't expect that. So once I place all of them, I'll close the lid and hopefully that will help calm things down a bit. A lot of fire. I cannot say that it was expected to have it this way, but let's close the lid. Once both sides are nicely browned and the crust looks good, I move the burgers to the indirect side to finish cooking slowly. Now it's time to insert the second probe straight into the meat. For safety, burgers should reach about 160 Fahrenheit internally, but I start pulling them off at around 155. They will keep cooking a bit while resting. Let's grill some buns. Now the buns. I made a mistake.
I placed some of them on the direct fire and they burned. The ones left on the indirect side came out perfect. So now I know what better not to do next time.
And this one is also wasted. Oh no. This one should be good. This one should also be good. No.
In the last few minutes, I melted the cheese on the top of the meat.
They look good. We're gonna let them rest for a few minutes.
Before I leave, I make sure to close all the vents. That shuts the grill down safely.
Leaf, onions, meat, barbecue sauce. Oh. It's time to test it.
I'm very Phil.
It's medium well. It's not well done. I pulled burgers a little bit late, so be careful, especially with such thin pieces of meat like I had. But anyway, it's very juicy and very good. Very juicy. Alright, that was my first try grilling burgers this way. They turned out to be delicious, but I'm sure you noticed a few mistakes or things I could do better. I would love to hear your thoughts, so leave them in the comments under this video and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.